What's up, people? Here I am again, Mr. Delicious, the traveling tutor and coach. And now we are still on the grade 12 advanced mathematics stream students, and we are continuing for the paper 1, section C or part C, question number 20. Okay, so welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And let's now continue for question number 20. And what do you think is the topic and the question for question number 20? So this is the question number 20. I like this topic. Trigonometry, bearing. Okay. So, grade 12 Advanced Mathematics, paper 1, year 2010. We are answering this one, question number 20. I hope that when you encounter this kind of question in your national examination or wherever you are in the world, if you are a student and you are on the topic trigonometry on calculating the bearing, distances, okay, so you can watch this video tutorial and coaching, and at least in this simple way, it might help you to enhance your mathematics skills. So this is the question. A light aircraft takes off flying due north, then turns and flies 1,100 meters due west. The plane now has a bearing of 340 degrees from its starting point. How far is it from its starting point? I think this is very easy. It's like a bonus question, but let's work it out together here. Okay, so we are now on to question number 20. If you notice, grade 12 students, some questions are worth 3 marks, but they're quite challenging to solve. And then there are also some questions that are also worth 3 marks, but the working out is just easy. But don't be overconfident with that. So we are now into question number 20. Question number 20. Question number 20. A light aircraft takes off. So when it comes to trigonometry and bearing, it is best for you to draw this one. This is north, south, this is west, and this is east. Okay? The point of origin is always the starting point in every problem. Okay, so we have here, the plane started here at the point of origin, flying due north. So it flew north. Okay, it flew north. Okay, and then reaches here. All right, when it flew north from the point of origin, and turns, flies 100 meters due west. So it from there it turns. Okay, that's the one. It turns west, and the distance is 1,100 meters. Okay, the plane now has a bearing 340 from its original, from its starting point. So if we are going to connect this one, just to draw the line. So the plane is now here in this position. And it says here that the plane now has a bearing of 340 from its starting point. So this is a true north. The bearing is in a clockwise direction, like that. So this side is 90. This one is 90. This one also is 90. Now 90, 90, 90, and then this angle here. Okay. This angle here, that will give us 340 degrees. So the bearing the bearing is 340 degrees. If this is 90 plus 90 plus 90 is 270. 270 plus what to get 340? So the answer there is if it is 340, the total complete revolution is 360. So this one is 20 degrees. Okay. So that should be, with the use of your scientific calculator, you can say it like this: 340 minus 270. So now we have this angle here is 70 degrees, while this one is 20 degrees. Because you are allowed to use the calculator, then it is easy for you to find. The question there now is, how far is it? How far is it from its starting point? So this is the starting point, and this broken line is the distance, and that is the question of the problem. So you are going to apply SOHCAHTOA. If this one is 20 degrees and this is 90 degrees here, then the opposite side of 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. So applying trigonometry, and that is SO. Why am I using SO? Is it is sine theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. So if the angle theta is 20 degrees, the opposite side is 1100. So sine theta, or sine 20 degrees, is equal to the opposite side is 1100 meters, divided by the hypotenuse is the unknown, which is, let's name it as x. And so x is equal to 1100 meters times sine 20 degrees. Finally, our x is the distance, and that is, we use 1100 times sine 20 degrees is equal to 376. It's not dividing. It's not multiplying, but we have to divide. Okay, I was already in a hurry. So x times this one is, x is equal to 1100 meters divided by sine 20 degrees. So that was the error, and it's okay. Sometimes when I teach advanced mathematics, I used to make error, and then the students will tell me that, oh, mister, I think you have to divide it. And that's what happened here. Okay? So, it's good. It's okay. At least I was able to correct myself quickly. So, 1100 divided by sine 20 degrees is equal to 3,216.18 meters. So the distance traveled by the plane from its starting point, from this point, starting point, to this point now of the location of the plane is 3,216.18 meters, or 3.216 kilometers. Okay, so the question number 20 is on trigonometry, And if you have the scientific calculator and you know how to sketch the position of the problem, okay, of the object, and then you know the bearing, and then you definitely, when you have the bearing, the angle, the triangle will be formed. Sometimes the triangle is not a right angle triangle. Other times it will become a non-right angle triangle. So you have to also, and again also the formula sheets will be there in your in the formula. So it's not difficult for you to work it out as long as you have the scientific calculator to find the values of the ratios, trigonometric ratios. Okay, so this is question number 20. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, this is Mr. Delicious and the traveling tutor and coach. Study, 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 and get ready for your national examination. That's my advice to you. My second advice is to always stay safe, wear your face mask, wash your hands often, so that you will avoid getting the COVID-19. Take care of yourself, and this is Mr. Delicious. See you in our next question number 21. Bye for now. Ta.